Getting your Charles Schwab tax documents is essential for filing your taxes accurately. First, log into your Charles Schwab account using your username and password. If you do not have an account yet, you will need to create one before you can access your tax documents. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Statements section, which is usually found on the main dashboard. In the Statements section, look for the option labeled Tax Documents or Tax Reporting. Click on this option to view your available tax documents. Here, you will typically find various forms including the Form 1000 and Form 2000, which are important for reporting your investment income. The documents are typically available by mid to late February each year. After locating the tax documents, you have the option to download or print them directly from the website. Make sure to download them in a secure format, such as PDF, so that you can easily access them later when preparing your tax return. If you encounter any issues during this step, use the customer support feature for assistance. If you prefer to have your tax documents mailed to you, you can also set this up through your account settings. Look for the section that allows you to change your communication preferences. Make sure to select the option for receiving tax documents by mail. Remember to check the mailing address to ensure that your documents reach you without any delays. Following these steps will help you access your Charles Schwab tax documents with ease.